Hello all. Today we're going to learn about a British multinational automotive company working for design, development, manufacture and sale of vehicles, Jaguar Land Rover Automotive. Most of us at least once must have heard the name of the company Jaguar Land Rover Automotive. Let us know this company in a much better way. Jaguar Land Rover Automotive is a British multinational automotive company headquartered in Whitley, Coventry, United Kingdom, owned by Indian car maker Tata Motors. Its principal activity is the design, development, manufacture and sale of vehicles bearing the Jaguar and Land Rover, including Range Rover marques. Both marques have long and complex histories prior to their merger going back to the 1940s, first coming together in 1968 as part of the ill-fated British Leyland conglomerate and later existed independent of each other as subsidiaries of BMW in the case of Land Rover and Ford in the case of Jaguar. Ford later acquired Land Rover from BMW in 2000 following the breakup of the former Rover group, which was effectively the remainder of British Leyland. Jaguar Land Rover has been a subsidiary of the Indian car maker Tata Motors since 2008 when the latter acquired it from Ford. It sold a total of 374,636 vehicles in the year ended 31st March 2013, of which 374,636 vehicles in the year ended 31st March 2013, of which 316,043 were Land Rovers and 58,593 were Jaguars. The Jaguar cars and Land Rover businesses were first united under a single entity by Ford Motor Company in 2002. Ford had acquired Jaguar cars in 1989 and Land Rover from BMW in 2000. In 2006, Ford purchased the Rover brand name and logos from BMW for around £6 million. This reunited the Rover and Land Rover brands for the first time since the Rover group was broken up by BMW in 2000 and also brought Jaguar into the same stable as Rover Land Rover more than 15 years after it was spun out from the former British Leyland in 1984. In 2008, the Jaguar Land Rover company was established when Tata Motors acquired the Jaguar and Land Rover businesses from Ford. In September 2011, the company confirmed that it would be investing £355 million in the construction of a new engine plant at the 54 Business Parks near Wolverhampton, Central England, to manufacture a family of 4-cylinder petrol and diesel engines. In November 2011, Jaguar Land Rover announced that it would be creating 1,000 new jobs at its Solihull plant, a 25% increase in the size of the workforce at the site. In March 2012, Jaguar Land Rover announced the creation of 1,000 new jobs at its Halewood plant and a shift to 24-hour production at the plant. In September 2013, Jaguar Land Rover announced an additional 1,700 jobs and £1.5 billion investment at its facility in Solihull. The money will be spent on designing systems to allow the chassis of future models to be made out of aluminium. The first of these models will be a new mid-sized sports saloon car to be introduced in 2015. In January 2014, the Wall Street Journal reported that Jaguar Land Rover sold a record 425,006 vehicles in 2013 as demand for its luxury vehicles increased in all major markets, including in China, North America and Europe. Jaguar Land Rover Automotive is a private company limited by shares incorporated under the laws of England and Wales, company number 064776691. The immediate parent undertaking of Jaguar Land Rover Automotive Ltd is TML Singapore Private Limited, and the ultimate parent undertaking and controlling party is Tata Motors Limited of India. The then chairman of Tata Group, Ratan Tata, was the chairman and director of Jaguar Land Rover Automotive from 2008 to December 2012. Jaguar Land Rover Automotive's principal active subsidiaries are Jaguar Land Rover Holdings Limited. Jaguar Land Rover Limited designs, manufactures and sells Jaguar cars and Land Rover vehicles. Jaguar Land Rover currently has 6 main facilities for R&D, manufacturing and vehicle assembly, of which 5 are in the UK and 1 in India. Jaguar Land Rover invested a total of £1,058 million in research and development in the year ended 31st March 2013. Jaguar Land Rover has 3 research and development facilities in the UK. Gaydon, an engineering and development facility, Whitley, an engineering and development site and headquarters for Jaguar Land Rover, Warwick Manufacturing Group, University of Warwick, Advanced Research and Development. Jaguar Land Rover currently sells vehicles under the Jaguar and Land Rover marques. It also owns the rights to the dormant Daimler, Lanchester and Rover marques. The latter was acquired by Land Rover while still under Ford ownership from BMW in the aftermath of the collapse of MG Rover Group. BMW having retained ownership of the marque when it broke up Rover Group in 2000, licensing it to MG Rover as a condition of the sale of Land Rover to Ford. Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF, codename X250, is an executive mid-size luxury car and estate produced by British car manufacturer Jaguar Cars, which was first revealed in autumn 2007 as a replacement for the Jaguar S-Type. Jaguar XJ. The Jaguar XJ X351 is the latest version of the Jaguar XJ luxury saloon from Jaguar Cars. Announced in 2009 and on sale from 2010, the new model features completely new styling combined with underpinnings based on the previous X350 version. The vehicle is produced at the Castle Bromwich assembly plant in Birmingham, United Kingdom. In 2014, assembly from complete knockdown kits CKD of the XJ would commence in Jaguar Land Rover's facility in Pune, India. Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a two-seat sports car based on a shortened platform of the XK convertible manufactured by Jaguar Cars from 2013. It is a spiritual successor to the famous E-Type. The car was launched initially as a soft-top convertible, later with a couple version launched in 2013. The Jaguar XE, codename X760, is a forthcoming model range announced by the British car manufacturer Jaguar at the March 2014 Geneva Motor Show, with sales scheduled for 2015. The XE launched as a four-door saloon, but estate and coupe variants will follow during 2015 and 2016. In the year ended 31st March 2011, Jaguar Land Rover sold a total of 240,905 units, of which 189,087 were Land Rovers and 51,818 were Jaguars. In that period, 24.1% of sales were in the United Kingdom, 22% in Europe excluding the United Kingdom and Russia, 20.9% in North America, 12% in China, 4.9% in Russia and 15.9% in the rest of the world. In the year ended 31st March 2012, Jaguar Land Rover sold a total of 305,859 units, of which 251,632 were Land Rovers and 54,227 were Jaguars. In that period, 22% of sales were in Europe, excluding the United Kingdom and Russia, 19.6% in the United Kingdom, 19.0% in North America, 16.7% in China, 4.2% in Asia Pacific, excluding China, and 19.0% in the rest of the world. In the year ended 31st March 2013, Jaguar Land Rover sold a total of 374,636 units, of which 316,043 were Land Rovers and 58,593 were Jaguars. In that period, 21.6% of sales were in Europe, excluding the United Kingdom and Russia, 20.6% in China, 19.3% in the United Kingdom, 16.8% in the United States, 4.8% in Asia Pacific, excluding China, and 16.9% in the rest of the world. So we got to know about the various aspects of Jaguar Land Rover Automotive. We went through the company's history to its sales and future products. Hope the information was useful and have a good day.